Good morning, students. Meeting after a short Diwali break. So, thought of the day. If we try, we only risk failure. But if we don't try, we ensure failure. So, always keep trying. Students, before our vacation starts, we have started lesson number 6, that is bar graph, and we have completed first two questions of practice set 19, which is given in your book. So, the third question of practice set 19. The table below gives the number of children who took part in the various items of the talent show as the part of the annual school gathering. Make a bar graph to show this data, and scale is given on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 4 children. Program and number of students: theatre 24, dance 40, vocal music 16, instrumental music 8, and one act plays 4. So the bar graph for this information is I have given here. Students, again I have drawn x-axis and y-axis intersecting at the point of origin, that is O. I have taken various items of the talent show on x-axis and I have selected the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 4 children for y-axis, and therefore I have written all the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Now you have to write the name of the graph at the top of the graph paper, that is graph showing number of children and various items of the talent show. Students, I have drawn vertical columns which are parallel to each other, having variable height according to the given number. And I have also written the numbers 24, 40, 16, 8, and 4. And this is the complete graph which I expect also from you. If you look to this graph, then each and every information is conveyed by this graph. Name is written on the top, scale is written, then x-axis and y-axis are drawn which intersect each other at the point of origin. Then various items of the talent show are written below the x-axis, and number of students are taken on the y-axis. Then while drawing the columns or rectangles, care should be taken that care is taken that all the columns or rectangles are at equal distance from each other, and the first rectangle is also at equal distance from rest of the distance from y-axis. So accordingly, students, you also have to draw this graph. Next question, that is 4. The number of customers who came to a juice center during 1 week is given in the table below. Make two different bar graphs to show this data. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers, and for second graph, on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. Type of juices and number of customers: orange 50, pineapple 30, apple 25, mango 65, and pomegranate 10. Students, here you are going to draw two graphs, and I have taken one graph only, that is I have selected the scale. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers, and for second graph you have to select a scale, that is y-axis is on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. Students, for the first graph I have written the name on at the top, graph showing types of juices and number of customers. Then again I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. I have taken type of juices on x-axis and number of customers on y-axis. Again student, here scale is given 1 centimeter is equal to 20 customers. Therefore, I have written all the multiples of 10 up to 70. I have drawn the graph. Now here the distance between the two successive rectangles or columns is equal to 2 boxes. You have to keep this in mind. You also have to draw this graph in your copy. And for this given information, you have to draw second graph, in which you have to take scale On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. Student, complete this work on time. Draw this graph on graph paper and paste them in your maths copy. See you in the next period. Thank you.